So okay, exercise 1.1 once again. In the earlier video we have solved question number 2 and 3. Now 4th and 5th, these are also important questions. Already the question I have written for you. You can note it down. In this, AP perpendicular BC, this is the side BC. AP is perpendicular to it. And AD parallel BC. This is not that this is perpendicular. It is not so. Though you may be seeing that it is perpendicular, no, it is not like that. It is like this. It is not perpendicular. This way it is. This is inclined. But this AP is perpendicular to BC. In the textbook, it is given by the dark line, but purposely I am drawing it by the dotted line. What we have to find? Find area triangle ABC is to area triangle BCD. ABC and this BCD, these triangles, their ratio of their areas I have to take. While discussing the BPT, the figure was like this in BPT. This is a line parallel, and here two triangles were forming. This one triangle and this another triangle. This triangle, the base is this. For this triangle also base is this, and they are lying in the parallel lines. If the two triangles are lying in the parallel lines, then their heights are equal, because distance between two parallel lines, you take anywhere, it is always same. The perpendicular distance is constant. That's why these lines are parallel. The same concept is used here. If AD parallel BC, then the height of this triangle is AP and height of this triangle is also AP. That means these two triangles are lying in the parallel line, hence their heights are same. Okay, one point is over. Now this ABP, its base is BC, because from this the perpendicular is dropped. BC is the base. For triangle BDC, then again base is BC. That means for these two triangles, height is same, base is same, so ratio will be 1. Means the areas will be equal. Solution: how to solve it? Something we have to write to justify our answer, that for a triangle, okay, first of all, AD parallel BC. This is given. Therefore, the perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines is same. The perpendicular distance between two parallel lines is same. Therefore, height of triangles ABC and triangle BDC are same, having common base. That height is AP. That height, which is that height? AP. Now I have to take the area of the ratios. Area triangle ABP, ABC they have asked, is to means upon area triangle BCD is equal to, what is the height of this? AP into what is the base? BC upon what is the height of BCD? That is also AP into base is same BC. This will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, and therefore area triangle ABC upon area triangle BCD is equal to, it remains 1 upon 1. So what is the ratio they have asked? Therefore, they have not asked this value upon. They have asked in the ratio form. So in the ratio form, how to write that answer? Area triangle ABC is to area triangle BCD is equal to 1:1. 1:1 means they are same. Or you can say area triangle ABC is equal to area triangle BCD. Hope you have understood this. Note it properly. I shall give you some time for writing, or otherwise pausing the video, just writing, it will become difficult for you. That's why I am just giving you the time. As many students are inquired about this, ask me, sir, give us some 5 minutes time. That's why I am giving you the time. If you go on doing along with me, then definitely you will be very good in mathematics. Now this question I am rubbing. I have to take question number 5. That also we want to complete within this video itself. So question number 5, though it is lengthy, there is nothing to do much in that. Question number 5. The figure is like this. The figure I will draw for you. This way. So there is a perpendicular drop from this point. Triangle, this bigger triangle is ABC. There is one point taken here, P point. From P there is a perpendicular drop, Q. This point is D, and then this PC is joined. So I am not writing in the adjoining figure PQ perpendicular BC, AD perpendicular BC, and so on. Find the following ratios. Directly I will come to the point. Find 1. Area triangle PQB upon area triangle PBC. One by one I will solve all the 5. One by one we will take. The lengths are not given. So area triangle PQB, PQB. This is the triangle. This is that PQB. And triangle PBC, BC. In these two triangles, PBC means PBC means this triangle. This is PBC triangle. PQB means this triangle. Height of this triangle is PQ. And for this bigger triangle PBC, height is PQ, means height is same. So in triangle PBQ, PQB they have said, we will say PQB, and triangle another is PBC. See this PBC, height is PBC. Height PQ is common. Common, or you can say same. Height is same or height PQ is common. Now we have to write the statement. The ratio of the areas of two triangles having equal height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Or bases. Therefore, what is asked? Area triangle PQB upon area triangle PBC is equal to, height is same for them. Now which are the bases? For this PQB, if this PQ is the height, then this is the base. Then that is PQ upon. For this triangle PBC, this is the height, so BC is the base upon BC. So this is the answer for 1. Hope you have understood this. Number 2 I will take. I am just rubbing this now. Second part of this. I am writing, by that time you can complete this. Area triangle PBC upon area triangle ABC. So this we will complete now. I am rubbing this. You are getting the sufficient time for writing. If you are not getting, in the comment section you just add something what you want to say. PBC means this triangle, this one, and triangle ABC. PBC, BC is the base. ABC, BC is the base. Base is same. Now what is the height of PBC? PBC. P is the vertex. From that PQ is the perpendicular. So when BC is the base for this triangle, PQ will be the height. For the bigger triangle ABC, base is same BC. Height is AD. So in triangle PBC, base is BC and height is PQ. Another triangle, in triangle ABC, which is the base? BC is the base. Base is BC and height is for ABC, this triangle, this BC is the base. On BC, who is perpendicular? AD is perpendicular. So height is AD. So they have common base. Heights are different. Therefore, their base is common. Their base is common. Immediately we have to write the statement. The ratio of the areas. The ratio of the areas of two triangles having same base or equal base or common base, having same base is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Their bases are same. The ratio will be equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Therefore, area triangle PBC upon area triangle ABC. BC are the bases. Heights, take the ratio PBC, which is the height PQ, upon ABC, which is the height AD. So this is the answer for this. Now the third one we will solve. Hope you are maintaining the speed. Now the third one. Third, area triangle ABC upon area triangle ADC. Now for these two triangles, we have to find the base and the height. So ABC, base I know. ABC, base is BC. AD is the height. In triangle ADC, AD is the height and DC is the base. So the ratio would be same way. What I have discussed in the two sums, same way you have to state. I am keeping it for you to do because the video is becoming very lengthy unnecessarily. In triangle ABC, BC is the base and AD is the height. And in triangle ADC, DC is the base and AD is the height. And then the statement. The ratio of the areas of two triangles having equal height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. So the answer for this will be, this is equal to BC upon DC. This now I have discussed and left it for you to complete. And the fourth one, that also I will complete. Area triangle ADC upon area triangle PQC. This also I have to find. I will check the triangles where those are. ADC, ADC, base is DC, height is AD. PQC, PQC, base is QC and height is PQ. Their bases are different. In triangle ADC, base is DC. In triangle PQC, base is QC. In triangle ADC, height is AD. And in triangle PQC, height is PQ. Their bases are different. Their heights are different. So for this I am giving you the solution. In triangle ABC, ADC, base is ADC, base is DC, and height is AD. In triangle, another triangle PQC. In triangle PQC, base is PQC, base is QC, and height is PQ. Now both are different. For this one, ratio of the product of their corresponding base and height. So the ratio of the areas, of two triangles having different base and height. What is that statement? Of two triangles is equal to the ratio of whose ratio of product of their corresponding bases and heights. Therefore, area triangle ADC upon area triangle PQC is equal to ADC. What is the base? DC into what is the height? AD upon, for PQC, what is the base? QC into what is the height? PQ. So nothing will get cancelled. This will be the answer. Some various scholars will means nonsense scholars, what they can do, CC cancel. Not like that. This DC in the earlier means in the very old syllabus in our times, means in 1978, it was written as length DC into length AD. This was compulsion to write length QC into length PQ. I have completed my SSC in 1978, in 77-78 batch. That time it was compulsory to write like this. It was, you could have never found like this. But during the due course, it has been changed, DC, AD like this. You can write. So, okay, you have understood this all. So, I declare that this practice set 1.1 is over. Now, in the subsequent lectures, We will see the practice set 1.2. The selective sums we will take. So hope you have written this